a new video for you. I have my June Boxycharm Boxyluxe. You guys, if you get Boxycharm, I really highly recommend the Boxyluxe because it's an extra like $28, $29. I'll leave it here, right here, but it is so worth it. The products that you get so far, all my boxes I have loved. The products have been really, really great. That first box, it was my favorite. I'm actually still using my Juice Beauty. I'm obsessed with this. I love it so much. I don't know what I'm going to do when I'm out because I really don't want to have to purchase it, but I use it. I love it. But you guys, this one is the June one. I just got it today, so we are going to open it. You can see it is still sealed. So we're going to take my boxy cutter, my box cutter, and we are going to slice it. I wouldn't recommend holding it like this and pulling a box cutter towards your throat. Probably not a good idea. Okay, guys, here we go. It is ready to be seen. So if you're interested in seeing what is in this box, which I'm really hoping it's a good one because I have not been watching no videos and looking at any of the little hints that they give you on Instagram and stuff. So if you would like to check out this box with me, keep watching. Okay, guys, I don't know what it is, but I always get my Boxycharm last. Why? There for a couple months. I actually got it early, like when they first came out with Boxyluxe. I was one of the first ones to get my box. I was one of the first ones to post the video. Now the videos are already out and been watched, and time I post mine, nobody cares. That's why I quit doing Boxycharm videos every month. Okay, let's open this box. Hello, Charmers. If you didn't know, this is a little bit bigger than the regular Boxycharm. I will show you because I still have my last month's Boxycharm. It is right here. I've opened it, but I haven't took anything out of it because actually the Boxycharm last month just didn't do it for me, and I'm just giving it to my daughter. Okay, let's go. Boxycharm, and here we go. Boxyluxe. Let's see what is in here. You get your card that always comes in a Boxycharm, and then this side tells you everything that you got. What it's for, how to use it, and what the retail price is. So we have that in here. Let's just start. What is this? Yes! Yes, 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 yes. I know there was 2 versions of the Living Proof that was coming out, and you could get one or the other. I was so wanting the dry shampoo. So this is the first thing that I got, the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. Instant lasting volume and texture. I knew this was coming because me and my cousin was talking about it. Because Living Proof is in the FabFitFun this month, and we knew that it was in Boxycharm, and we were really both hoping to get this. So I'm going to have to ask her if she got this. If not, she's going to want mine probably. But Jessica, I got the dry shampoo. Let's see. It is, where's it at? Living Proof Full Day Volume Blast. Retails for $29, but it's a full dry volume blast. Super excited to have it. Super, super excited. Okay, what we got here? Trestique. I don't know what this is. How to use pull off clear cap to access half curler. Half curler, what? Okay, I'm confused. Let's see. Oh, this is flip down. Oh, this is to curl your eyelashes. Well, that's cool. Look at that. That's a little different. I bet it's a mascara. Dang, that's a big ass mascara. And there's what the one looks like. Holy cow. Look how big this mascara is. But is this not the coolest thing? Oh my gosh. Really? Wonder if it works. We'll have to try it in a video. So I got this. What did I say it was? Not for sale. Okay. Trestique. Trestique Good Vibes Mascara. Treat your lashes to the ultimate curling, lengthening, and volumizing fun with your new Good Vibes Mascara. All-in-one lash curler tool and mascara gives you everything you need to take your lashes to the next level. $25. Ooh, $25. Okay. Oh, there's another one that's not under plastic. Oh, the new No Poreblem Prime Essence. Okay. I love the No Poreblem primer, because can you see mine is like, look at that, almost empty. It lays in my drawer like this. That's why it's all on the side. But you guys, I have used this up. I bought 2 of these from the last FabFitFun, and then I got one in a Boxyluxe, I think, last time, or in a Boxycharm. It's in one of them, which is right here. And anyway, I had 3 of them. I gave one to my daughter. Y'all, I talk too much in videos. No Poreblem. This is exciting because I love their primer. So this is a primer, Prime Essence, and it's from Touch and Saw. Touch and Saw. I like the packaging. How cool is that? Okay, Touch and Saw. Where you at? Here we go. No Poreblem Prime Essence. Let your makeup stay a while with your new Touch and Saw No Poreblem Prime Essence. It's infused with calendula something flower extract. It tightens up your pores, keeping your skin silky, silky smooth. And it says silky, silky smooth. $23. Sweet. Okay, I know what this is, because they asked me if I wanted this or something else, and I did pick this. Oh, it's purple. Yes. Yes. I love it. I know there was like 4 colors you could get. How cute is that? It is the PYT. I forget what PYT stands for, but this is the hair dryer. Mini Turbo on the go dryer. It retails for $85. Look how cute it is. Oh my gosh. And then we have the little, this is going to be great for like going on vacation. You know what? We're going to plug it in and see just how good it blows. You guys, I can read your mind. Are you ready? Why it don't even work? Oh, let me hit the reset button. There's low. Whew, smell it. Whoa, here's high. You guys, this is actually a good hair dryer. Are you kidding? Nice. $85. I'll leave that down there for now. So we got that. Okay. We have Skin&Co Aqua Illuminate. Y'all, it's a Radiant Dew Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. Here we go, right there. And it retails for $35. It's a hydrating mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. So, is it open? I don't know. We will find out. It smells like, it's kind of like a peppermint smell to it. Got my face really wet though. smells good though, actually. Did I tell you what it retailed for? $35. Holy sh. Okay, then we got a Dr. Brandt Clean Bionic Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll. I love getting skincare, you guys. I love getting skincare. This retails for $35. It's a multitasking cleansing yogurt that melts away grime, makeup, and excess oil for skin that is hydrated and never stripped. Sweet. Let the plants do the dirty work. But this is what it looks like. And it retails for $35. This is awesome. This is, it just says 6B. Because they have different boxes with different things in them, and so it says mine is 6B. Dominique Cosmetics. This is in peach tea. Dominique Cosmetics. What is this? $17. It's a lemonade lip gloss. You guys, I so want her eyeshadow palette. Oh, look at that, you guys. Is that not cute? I think it's cute. Let's see. I have on lip gloss, but let's see. Oh my god, this smells so good. What's that? It smells like cake. Look at that. So, I could eat this. It smells like cake. I love the smell of that. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. Add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with the lightweight, non-sticky balm like lemonade lip gloss by Dominique Cosmetics. It is not sticky. I really like it though. Sweet. Okay, well we got two more items. Farmacy Honeymoon Glow Resurfacing AHA Resurfacing Night Serum with hydrating honey and gentle flower acids. This is what the packaging looks like. I've never tried anything from Farmacy, so I am like super excited. Like, I mean, I've tried nothing from them. Honeymoon Glow. This is awesome packaging. I love their packaging because it's just so it kind of reminds me of like walking in the old general store and this would be like sitting on the counter. That's what it reminds me of. So Farmacy Honeymoon Glow, it is $58. Are you kidding? It's a 3-in-1 night serum that resurfaces, hydrates, and clarifies dull skin while you sleep. It's supposed to smooth your complexion from the look of pores, fine lines, and wrinkles. Y'all, the hubby is mowing because he got a new mower. He bought a new John Deere, and he is having a good time with it. Let me see if I can't turn y'all around the scene, but let me see if I can. Do you want to see him out there? Look at him. Out there, he knew I was filming too, and he gets out there and mows in the front yard. But he just bought that, and I swear every time I turn around, he is on that. He had an old John Deere mower that was his papa's that he has used forever, but he finally caved in and got himself one of them zero turns, and I think he really likes it. He acts like he don't, but I know better. Okay guys, the last thing that I have in here is a Tarte palette. I love Tarte palettes. This one is the Pro Glow 3. Now I have the very first one that they came out with. This one says the glow level is extreme. Like, sweet. But this is what the box looks like, Pro Glow 3. And let's see what it looks like. It has the same packaging as the very first one. You open it up. Oh, it's so pretty. You have the two mirrors, and then you have the palette. So you have 2 blushes, 2 highlighters, and 2 bronzers. So excited to play with this. This blush is really calling my name right there. And look at that highlighter. This bronzer, yes. I like that one. It's more that taupey shade, and that's what I love, is that taupey shade. But this retails for $45. So pretty excited. 6 shade cheek palette, volume 3, Amazonian clay, the works. I love it. I love it. I love it. So you guys, that is everything that came in the Boxyluxe. If you're not getting Boxycharm, you really, I would highly recommend signing up for it. It's $21 a month. I can leave you a link down below. I don't know if there's a wait list right now or not, but it usually doesn't last very long. And then you can sign up for or upgrade to Boxyluxe. So Boxyluxe, $21 a month. Or no, I'm sorry. Stop. Boxycharm, $21 a month. That would be like January, February, $21. You upgrade to Boxyluxe. March, it would be like $40, I think it's like $49, and you get the big box. Then April, May, $21 a month. It's regular old Boxycharm. And then June, like this one, it's June's, you get Boxyluxe again. It's like $48, $49. And that's how it works. And then every so often they'll throw a surprise box out there that you can actually sign up for, or not sign up for, but you can purchase. Like last month they had a skincare box, and I was able to grab it. I'm so excited because usually these are sold out before I can get it. But look at all the skincare in there. There's Glam Glow, there's Kapari, there's Saturday Skin, there's Kadali, I don't know, LMS, there's face masks in here, and this was $49. So, but you guys, I recommend it so much. Guys, that's it. That's everything that I have. If you enjoyed the video and you love Boxycharm and Boxyluxe and Boxy everything like I do, give this video a thumbs up. And you guys, if you're new to my channel, hit that red subscribe button below. You are the first ones to know every time I post a new video. But you guys, I love you guys so much. I hope you're having an amazing summer, and I will talk to y'all in my next video. Bye, guys. Bye. Yeah.